Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial on Perlin noise and mesh grid pen plots for generative art. Overview. Generative art is a fascinating intersection of art and technology where algorithms are used to create visual art. One of the most popular techniques in generative art is using noise functions, such as Perlin noise, to create organic-looking structures and patterns. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a mesh grid and apply Perlin noise to generate artistic plots. What is Perlin noise? Perlin noise is a gradient noise function developed by Ken Perlin and is widely used in computer graphics for procedural texture generation. It produces a continuous random-looking pattern that can be used to create smooth transitions and organic shapes. Required libraries. To get started, we'll use the following libraries in Python. NumPy, for numerical operations. Matplotlib, for plotting. Noise, a library for generating Perlin noise. You can install these libraries using pip. Generating a mesh grid. A mesh grid is a 2D grid of points that can be used to evaluate functions over a defined space. We'll create a mesh grid using NumPy. Example code. Below is an example code that demonstrates how to use Perlin noise to create a mesh grid and plot it using Matplotlib. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. We import necessary libraries. Noise is used to generate Perlin noise. 2. Generate Perlin noise function. Generate_Perlin_noise_2D function creates a 2D array filled with Perlin noise values. Shape defines the dimensions of the output array. Scale, octaves, persistence, and linearity control the characteristics of the noise. 3. Mesh grid creation. We create a mesh grid using numpy.meshGrid that ranges from -3 to 3 in both dimensions. 4. Noise generation. We call the generate_Perlin_noise_2D function to create the noise pattern. 5. Plotting. Finally, we use Matplotlib to visualize the Perlin noise. The noise is displayed as a grayscale image. Further exploration. Once you understand the basics, you can experiment with the following. Changing parameters, modify the scale, octaves, and other parameters to see how they affect the resulting noise. Color maps, experiment with different color maps in ImShow to create more colorful outputs. 3D noise, explore 3D Perlin noise to create volumetric effects or landscapes. Interactive art, use libraries like Pygamy or p5.js for interactive generative art applications. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to generate a mesh grid and apply Perlin noise to create visually appealing plots. Generative art opens up endless possibilities for creative expression, and by manipulating noise functions, you can create unique and interesting artworks. Happy coding!